All right, how's everybody doing? Our next topic is Microsoft Office 365. Office 365 provides students with online apps, tools for collaboration, and cloud storage. We'll be talking about email as well as Outlook, Mail, and Calendar are apps included in Office 365. So let's take a look. We get to Office 365 by going through SharkNet. I'll begin by clicking on Mail. At the first Office 365 page, I'm going to type in my landmark email address, and as soon as I click into the password field, it's going to bring me to the next page. Now I'm at the specific Landmark College 365 login screen. My username is already there. I'm going to type in my landmark password and click on Sign In. This is your Office 365 homepage. On the top left of all Office 365 screens, you'll see what Microsoft calls the waffle. Clicking on the waffle brings up a window of all available Office 365 online programs. In many of the Office 365 programs, you'll notice an Office 365 link. Click this link to return to the Office 365 homepage. Outlook is Landmark's email and calendaring system. There are two ways to use Outlook. One is through the software installed on your laptop, and the other is to access Outlook over the web, which is what I'm going to show you right now. We'll look at Mail first, then Calendar. Let's start with Mail. At the Office 365 homepage, click on Mail. Your mailbox is laid out simply. Folders to the left, message list or inbox in the middle, and the reading pane on the right. Let's create and address a new email. Click on the new link, and a blank email message will open. We make it very easy to use Landmark's address book. Click on To, and in the following window, in the To field, enter either the first or last name of the person you're emailing. I'm using myself for this purpose, so I'm going to type in Josh and my last name so we get directly to me. Now click Save, and the new message is ready to go. Enter a subject, add your text, and click Send. Remember the waffle from earlier? Great. We'll use the waffle to move on to Outlook Calendar. By default, your calendar will open like this, in the monthly format. Near the top right of the page, you can change your view. You can view your calendar by day, work week, which is a 5-day look, week, or month. As a student, your calendar will contain your landmark course schedule, which is really helpful. Advisors, faculty, and staff use Calendar often to schedule meetings with students, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on it. Let's briefly go through some of the programs. I'm not going to cover all of them, but we'll touch on important ones. Mail brings us to the web version of Outlook, and Calendar is the web version of Outlook Calendar. OneDrive is a really important program to keep in mind. We use OneDrive in a variety of ways here at Landmark. I'm going to move over to the online version of Outlook Tasks. You can create tasks in a variety of places within 365 and Outlook. Finally, here are the traditional Microsoft Office programs. So that's a quick look at Office 365 and the online versions of Outlook, Mail, and Calendar. The laptop version of Outlook is much more robust, so please make an appointment with me once you're here to learn more. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.